with another video, guys. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are doing well. This past weekend I had the opportunity to visit the Whoop Nature Reserve. It was an incredible experience. It was amazing. It was fun. I saw things that I've never seen before. I had the experience that I've never experienced before. It was the best time of my life. So this is just a short video to show you guys what we did there, what we saw there, how it was, what we ate, and just like a showcase of how or what the Whoop has to offer. I would highly recommend you guys go there. I would highly recommend you just giving yourself the experience of just being there. Once you come back, once you've been there, you will never be the same. It's the best feeling ever. So I'm not going to keep you guys any longer. Let's get back into the video. Sorry to interrupt you guys again. I just want to take this moment to just thank the Whoop Collections for granting me this experience. I also just want to thank Eloise, who is the market manager for the Whoop Collections. She is an incredible person. She arranged so much for us. She gave us the best experience ever. Just want to thank her for that. And then I also just want to give a shout out to HW Transport for the transportation of the Whoop Collections and the transportation of me, so I could experience that. And yeah, thank you. Right back into the video. that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and would like to leave a comment, that would be so much appreciated. The link to the web collections, if you'd like to go visit them, if you'd like to know more about them, will be in the description below. So if you would like to check that out, that would be there. The images I took while on this trip would also be posted on Instagram, so if you'd like to see that, it will be posted within the next week. So don't be scared to go check that out on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.